Hey there, golf enthusiasts! Welcome back to Product Critique, your ultimate destination for in-depth product reviews and recommendations. Today, we're diving into the world of golf grips and exploring the CHAMPKEY premium hybrid golf grips touted as the best golf grips for wedges available in the market. So, let's tee off and discover what makes these grips stand out from the rest. Before we jump into the details, if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay updated with our latest reviews. Now, let's talk golf grips. The CHAMPKEY premium hybrid golf grips are engineered to deliver top-notch performance in any weather condition. With a pack of 13 grips, you're equipped to elevate your game to the next level. What sets these grips apart is their innovative design and technology. First up, let's talk about the brushed cotton thread technology. This exclusive feature fuses moisture-wicking cotton fibers into a soft rubber material, providing unparalleled stability and grip, no matter the weather. Combine that with the wrap squared technology, which incorporates two types of rubber materials to create extra wraps in the lower hand grip. This reduced taper promotes lighter grip pressure, enhancing your swing power and reducing tension in your hands. But wait, there's more. The grip's soft micro-texture not only increases traction but also ensures maximum comfort during those long rounds on the course. It's all about achieving that perfect balance between control and comfort. Now, let's hear what golfers have to say about these grips. Brian Ray describes them as great grips, with a tacky yet non-sticky feel, providing a significant improvement over his old ones. Similarly, Real T Squared praises them as the best bang for your buck, highlighting their durability and comparing them to more expensive brands like Golf Pride. With glowing reviews like these, it's evident that the CHAMPKEY premium hybrid golf grips are a game-changer for any golfer looking to enhance their performance without breaking the bank. And there you have it, folks. That wraps up our review of the CHAMPKEY premium hybrid golf grips. If you're ready to take your golf game to new heights, be sure to check out the link in the description below. Don't forget to leave a comment sharing your thoughts or any questions you might have. Until next time, happy golfing!